Good morning and welcome. My name is Brett Wilkins, Director of Capital Transactions at Ray White Commercial, and this is the subject property. Chris Mathews, welcome.
How are you?
And today we're talking about the latest Ray White Commercial Industrial Report. How would you detail the current state of the industrial property market?
Still very tight, has been for a long time. Limited supply, not much, a lot of demand, limited supply. So it's really kind of pushing a lot of the prices up still.
Surely the increased cost of money, though, must be slowing the industrial market down?
Yeah, to a certain extent. We probably need a bit more of a bump in rates, I think, to get that shift from owner-occupiers buying to get them back towards leasing.
And what about the war and increased cost of construction? What effects?
Still yet to play out. I mean, there's already a limited supply of land, so construction costs were already high, so the feasibilities weren't really there. So if anything, it's probably put some additional pressure on new supply coming on board. Bit of an issue.
And who are the major buyers and what sort of category of buyers are in the industrial market?
Major buyers would be the ones paying the premiums or aggressively buying, owner-occupiers still, plenty of Eastern States investors and local investors as well. Both investors and developers find it really difficult to pay the right prices for what occupiers will pay.
It's a very tight market. Why are we here? What's caused this?
It's just a flow in WA's good old economy, I'd say. With no new real supply coming on, and then a lot of businesses sort of ramping up into this current wave. It's just that on-flow effect of demand's just been constantly going, and there's layers of it. But in short, there's a lot of cash floating around at the moment. A lot of equity in homes, a lot of occupiers. Banks have now started funding to 80%. And they have been doing for a while, which traditionally it was only sort of 60 to 70%. So actually purchasing an industrial property needed a lot more equity, which was unachievable for a lot of occupiers previously.
What are the biggest challenges facing the industrial property sector?
Right now, I'd say just supply. Beyond that, if we had 2-3 times the amount of buildings on the market, I'd be confident each and every one of them would sell. Every time we sell something, we've got 2-3 plus buyers all missing out who are very close to what the property actually transacts for.
And what do you see happening in the next 12 months for the industrial market?
I think it's a period of stabilising, really. It's I don't see it punching on as much as it has over the last 4 or 5 years. We've certainly seen a massive uptick in both rents and prices. In terms of land value and strata title properties. So I think it's probably a period of stabilisation at the moment. I don't see it increasing as much. I do feel that it will be very much a market where there's a bit more balance.
Chris, thank you very much.
No worries.
If you'd like to talk further about the industrial property market in Perth, please contact Chris Mathews. Thank you.